They are glistening. Hi friends, my name is Courtney and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making boneless pork ribs. They're so good, super sweet. Let's go. To start off, we're going to use 1 cup of packed light brown sugar. Then we're going to use 1.5 tablespoons of kosher salt, which you cannot use table salt. We're using kosher for this. It's going to change the measurements. We're also using 1/2 teaspoon of granulated garlic, again, granulated, not powdered, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. My daughter is mixing it up nicely, and then I'm placing our boneless pork ribs onto some aluminum foil that I have on a baking sheet. Then I'm going to have my daughter add about 1/2 to 3/4 of that brown sugar mixture right on top of the pork ribs, and then I'm just going to make sure it's nice and packed down on the ribs. And what I'm going to do is kind of make like a tin foil packet. It can boil over because the syrup gets sticky. If you're going to anticipate a little bit of spill through, you can actually double wrap it, and then we're going to bake this for 1.5 hours at 350. Then I'm going to take the remaining mixture, add about 1 to 2 teaspoons of water, and then put those pork ribs onto a new piece of aluminum foil on the baking sheet. Then I'm going to take that remainder of the mixture that we added the water to and put that right over the pork ribs, and we're going to cook it for another 1/2 hour, but we're not going to cover it this time. Can you see the pork rib? It's like glistening. I cannot wait to dig in. It literally falls apart. It is super tender because we cooked it for 2 hours. So I'm going to take a bite and hopefully not burn my mouth. Here we go. I got a little bit of like the fatty part, so good. It's literally just shredding apart. It like melts in your mouth. Very hot, but so good. It's literally just flaking apart. I like to serve this with some broccoli, some rice. It's super delicious. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest with my family, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.